how many people did your unit kill, or how many? Give me a poor.
Look, I'll tell you one thing. I can't, when we talk about the army, this is a dangerous point because this unit was 35 years. When I was in this unit, there were 95 wanted people on the list of the Secret Service. At my time, 87 was captured or killed. The war had to finish. What do we have today? Millions.
Times, yeah.
When I'm going to do the best, it's all up to me, and I'm
It's
going
all
to
up
do.
to
I'm
you.
not going to conquer.
He doesn't
And
involve
the-
Hashem.
There's no Hashem, all this thing. It just multiplies. And what we see today is I will build, and people are victims of society everywhere if you don't think. And when somebody goes and is a victim of society, the secular society, so he falls for the secular ashkafa.
So when you say I'd rather get killed and not go to the army, and also answering today, there's a popular new unit, and there's someone very famous, I'm not going to mention his name, that is trying to pump that people from people should join the army, and there's a lot of pushing that they want to. I'm going to ask you two questions. Why is it so bad? A frum boy that doesn't learn anything in yeshiva, even myself, I considered several times. I'm suffering in yeshiva. We're not clicking. It's not working for me. At least be in the army. Be something.
Why?
Do something.
Why?